tragic case came to a close today, more than 4 years after a little boy's death. A judge sentenced Meagan Work to concurrent sentences of 30 years for injury to a child and 20 years for tampering with evidence. She pleaded guilty to those charges after her two-year-old son, Colton Turner, was found in a shallow grave in 2014. KXAN's Will Dupree tells us today's sentencing follows a week of emotional, exhausting testimony.
Judge David Wahlberg's decision clearly weighed heavily on him, but having gone through the testimony and evidence, he turned to a tearful Meagan Work and sentenced her to 30 years in prison.
Colton Turner didn't deserve to die. He died in the custody of his mother and Michael Turner.
Work received a tougher sentence than her boyfriend Michael Turner got. The judge said she bore legal and moral responsibility as Colton Turner's biological parent. That particular claim incensed Work's defense attorney.
I am the mother of an adopted daughter. So to say that I am less responsible for her because there is no blood tie, that's nonsense. Meagan and Michael are the same, and Meagan's going to do way more time.
Distraught family members embraced after the sentence was read. Colton's grandmother sobbed, delivering one final statement in court before Meagan Work heads to prison.
We will never forgive you for what you did to Colton. You murdered your 2-year-old son and let him suffer and buried him in a field. That is the act of pure evil.
Meagan Work will have to serve half of her prison sentence before she's ever eligible for parole. Prosecutors and the family, though, told us here today that they will fight any kind of early release. Will Dupree, KXAN News.
Judge Wahlberg says Meagan will also receive credit for the time she's already served. Prosecutors say she's been in custody since September 2014. Work's boyfriend, Michael Turner, is serving a 20-year sentence for charges related to the case. Before announcing his sentence, Judge Wahlberg said that he was baffled that Turner didn't offer any testimony during the hearing. He's serving time at a prison in Childress, Texas, between Wichita Falls and Amarillo. He was brought to the Travis County Jail for work sentencing in case he was called to testify during witness testimony, but that never happened. He will now head back to Childress. Colton's death influenced an overhaul of Texas Child Protective Services. While he was missing, authorities didn't know CPS was looking for Work and Colton. To make sure that doesn't happen again, lawmakers passed Colton's Law 3 years ago. Now CPS workers notify DPS when missing children are placed on a child safety check alert list. That way, if parents are found by DPS troopers, they can detain them, the child, and their car while they notify